This is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2014 Holden Captiva, stock number 6465. This ran from the 1st 2011 to the 6th 2018. It has a Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed with 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front guard, left front door mirror, left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear taillight, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light for sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,